Welcome dear students of class 2, how are you? I hope you will be alright. Welcome to your English class. Open your book Oxford Reading Circle ORC, page number 31. Here is lesson 5, Constable Plod. Dear students, listen to me very carefully. Mr. Plod is a policeman. He lives and works in a small town. He is nice man. Everyone likes him, but Mr. Plod is not very clever. Dear students, while reading, we will underline the difficult words. Just like this. You also do like this. So, everyone likes him, but Mr. Plod is not very clever. One day in the big city close by, the police caught a thief. The police took the thief to the police station. The inspector at the police station asked the thief, "What is your name? What is your address? How old are you?" डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मिस्टर प्लॉट एक पुलिस हवलदार है. वो बहुत अच्छा आदमी है पर वो ज़्यादा होशियार नहीं है. तो वहाँ एक दिन वहाँ शहर में पुलिस ने एक चोर को पकड़ा और वो उस चोर को शहर के पुलिस स्टेशन लेकर आए. और वहाँ इंस्पेक्टर ने चोर से ये सवाल करने शुरू किए कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम कहाँ रहते हो, तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है. Look, here is the police station. This is police and this is thief. Police is asking questions from thief. Again, we come to the lesson. Ahead, do you have a wife? Any children? He asked lots and lots of questions. He wrote down the thief's answer. ये जो पुलिस ऑफिसर है ये उस चोर से सवाल किए जा रहा था और दूसरा जो है वो लिखता जा रहा था वो जो भी जवाब दे रहा है. Then another policeman took the lots of photographs of the thief. His camera went click, click, click. Okay? He took one from the front and another from the left. Then he took one from the right, another from behind. He took a photograph of the thief with his hat on and another with his hat off. वहाँ पुलिस स्टेशन में चोर की जो फ़ोटोग्राफ्स तस्वीरें निकालते जा रहे थे और कभी उसकी साइड से तस्वीर निकाल रहे हैं, कभी उसके फ्रंट मुंह से सामने की तस्वीर निकाल रहे हैं, कभी उसका चेहरा आ रहा है, कभी उसके बाजू आ रहे हैं, तो कभी उसकी हैट जो है पहनी हुई है, कभी उसने हैट उतार दी है. तो ये सारी तस्वीरें उन्होंने क्लिक की हैं चोर की. But later that day the thief ran away. उस दिन बाद फिर से वो चोर जो है वो भाग गया. Catch him, said the inspector. Catch him, said the sub-inspector. Catch him, said the sergeant. Catch him, said the sergeant. जैसे ही चोर भागा तो उन्होंने कहा पकड़ो 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 उसे. इंस्पेक्टर ने भी कहा और पकड़ो उसे. सब इंस्पेक्टर ने भी यही कहा. सब ने सर्जेंट मीन्स जो सूबेदार होता है. एक इंस्पेक्टर होता है, उसके बाद सब इंस्पेक्टर होता है. सब इंस्पेक्टर से छोटा जो होता है वो सर्जेंट होता है. उसका दैट मीन्स कांस्टेबल से हाई रैंक होती है उसकी, वो सूबेदार शायद उसको कहते हैं. सर्जेंट जो होता है वो कांस्टेबल से हाई रैंक में होता है. So let's move to the lesson. The constable ran away after him, but he was too quick for them. He escaped. जो कांस्टेबल थे वो उनके पीछे भागे, लेकिन वो जो चोर था बहुत तेज़ था इसलिए वो भाग गया. They looked everywhere but they could not find him. Some days went by. उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की लेकिन वो चोर को पकड़ ना सके और कुछ दिन गुजर गए. Then someone told the inspector that the thief was in Mr. Plot's small town. Get the photographs, shouted the inspector. किसी ने उसको बताया कि जो चोर है वो मिस्टर प्लॉट के गांव में रहता है. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि मतलब a constable brought 4 photographs of the thief. Take these immediately to the Mr. Plot, said the inspector. So the constable took the photographs and raced off on his bicycle. An hour went by, a whole day went by. Then the inspector's telephone rang. "Hello, this is Inspector," said the inspector. "Hello," said Mr. Plot. "I am Constable Plot." जैसे इंस्पेक्टर को पता चला कि ये चोर जो है वो कांस्टेबल प्लॉट के गांव में रहता है, तो दूसरे कांस्टेबल को उसने जल्दी ही तस्वीरों के साथ वहां भेजा और अगले ही दिन कांस्टेबल प्लॉट ने कॉल की इंस्पेक्टर को। I have seen the photograph that you sent me. Yes, said the inspector excitedly. Have you found the thief yet? Yes, sir, replied Mr. Plod. I have caught 3 of these thieves and I shall catch the 4th on very soon. तो प्लॉड ने इंस्पेक्टर को कॉल करके क्या कहा? इंस्पेक्टर को कॉल करके कहा कि मैंने 3 चोर पकड़ लिए हैं और मैं चौथे को भी जल्दी पकड़ने वाला हूँ। So, dear students, आपने देखा the constable who was not clever enough caught the thieves, not one thief, 3 thieves. So we cannot judge him by someone's appearance. Everyone is higher than in their own minds. Dear students, open page number 35 and here is the exercise C, word meanings. Here are some action words. Here is list A and list B. So come down with 2, exercise 2. Who is a person who? Now we have write nouns along with these actions. Now who is a person who takes photograph? Is a photographer. Who is a person who works in a police station? Is a policeman. Who is a person who steals things from others? Is a thief. Who is a person who drives a bus? Is a driver. Who is a person who teaches children? Is a teacher. Who is a person who works with wood? Is a carpenter. Who is a person who paints and draws? Is a painter. Now match these action words with these nouns. Match the words in A with list B. Okay? Just like this, person who takes photographer is a photographer. Now it is your homework to match these lists A and B and write down the nouns along these sentences. Okay, dear students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.